Yo, what is up? This is how I made a drill beat from Ntate Stunna. First, I started off with this Koriana that I found. When you're working with samples, guys, you can do other melodies to back it up, but here I was very lazy to do it, so I just pitched it up like 200 cents. Then I went to the drums. Since this is a drill beat, I started off with this hi-hat snare sound. Then I layered it with another snare sound. After that, I did some snare rolls. Then another snare. Then I layered another percussive snare sound. So I layered other percussions and together they sound like this. That's a different section of the beat, like the verse part. Then I also found this drill hi-hat. I also layered it with one of the drill hi-hats from my sound kit. After that, you know we go to the big guns, bruv. Now with the kick, I just kept it simple, kept the bounce simple. It sounds like this. Then I went to the 808. The 808 and the kick together, they go hard. Listen. So since I was using a lot of percussion sounds, I decided to keep space in between when the 808 hits because I didn't want everything to like be clashed together. After that, I just put in this brass, which is very dope for trap beats. Makes it attack harder. So what I did next was to throw in some FXs and drum fills, and they sound like this. So that's pretty much the beat. Thank you for watching. Also remember, always keep it simple. Bye.